Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500, a rare Monday night version. It's Monday, November 7th, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We're going to get our YouTube people all caught up with what's been going on in the market. And let's begin. Let's begin with the Qs. The Qs, you can see again, A wave down, 5 waves to the downside from the November high to the June lows. B wave up into the 816 high, and then we've got 5 waves down. I think we did this, but I want to go ahead and break this down a little bit here. And let's see, we'll go from a daily to an hourly chart. We want to look at this decline and the move up from that low. Okay, there we go. And you can see we've got a 1 down, a 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, which was a 382 retracement, and 5 down. And so far that that move up has moved to the previous fourth wave of one lesser degree. So I want to look a little bit closer at this decline from that high, which was in here on October 25. I want to break that down a little bit more. Let's go into a 10-minute chart, see if we can see that a little more closely. Let me bring this into focus. There we go. Okay, so from that high on the 25th, we have a 1 down and a 2 up, and this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a 3. Let me see here what we have as far as an extension, or if we might expect that 3 to go further. You can see that 3 was more than a 1.0 right there, down there. I'll move that 3 over here. Okay, and this 4 up still looks like it's in play, or it shouldn't go above that wave 1 low. Okay, so let's look at that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's still got another. This 3 looks like it'll still extend, so we can look for that to go to that 1.618, and this thing is developing right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 9. 5, 7, 9, 13 for impulse waves, and we're still developing there. Okay, let's move into the S&P 500. We're looking at a daily bar chart. There's the January 4th all-time high. There is wave A down. There is B up, and here you can see the beginning of wave C. We've got the first 5 waves down for the first wave in parentheses, and the second wave up has hit right on the 50% retracement, right near that 39.06. I think it's 39.11. I want to point something out here. I think, no, maybe I'll wait till the cash market. Okay, I'm sorry, the futures market. Here we are from that B wave high. We've got a 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, and a 5 for the larger wave 1 of the larger wave C, and an ABC up here. And you can see that it's right at the 50% retracement and right where wave C up gains, excuse me, equality with wave A up, okay? So this second wave is about complete. It could be complete, we'll see. Let's take a closer look here at the EMinis. Again, the same pattern, 5 waves down, 3 waves up, A down, B up, and here's C. There's 1 of C and 2 of C. It's possible that's only A, but doesn't have a whole lot more room to go. We'll see how that plays out. I want to show you guys something here if I can. Let me get a trend line right here. Okay, that's the A wave right there. And let's move that, and you can see how that line is steeper. That is 1 in parentheses of 3, okay? You can expect 3, and I'll get this out of the way right now. So let's do this. Let's remove this. Let's put another line in there. Call this the angle of descent. All right, so this 1 of 3 is steeper than the whole A wave, okay? You can expect that if this is wave 3 right here, wherever it starts from, be it here or higher up, we have our Fibonacci targets, that it will be more steep than this. It'll probably be more like this. Okay, steeper and steeper still, third of third wave. So that is definitely something to watch for. Okay, so let me remove that, get that out of the way. That is the daily. Okay, that's a bigger picture. Let's get in a little tighter here. We have the hourly from the B wave high. You can see one down here in black, two up, three down here, four up, five down. You might notice the Fibonacci time spirals that this thing is turning virtually perfectly on. 1 or 2 days here or there off, but for the most part it's on. And you can see here we've got from that wave one low on 1013, we've got an A up with parentheses, a B down, and a C up. Looks like a perfect 3, 3, 5. 3 up, 3 down, 5 up to complete C. That turned on 11-1. You know we had an 11-4 turn date, so it missed it by 3 Fibonacci days, and that's where that thing looks like it went. And we have a couple. I want to show you guys these targets here. I think I got a couple pictures because that's again right on the 50% and right where near C equals A. Let me look at these pics here for you guys. See if I've got them here. Let's look at the hourly first, the bigger picture. Okay, you can see there. And there's where we've got that second wave up. It can still go to these higher targets. We have to allow for that, but there was a confluence, if you can call two a confluence, of targets there with the 50% retracement and where C equals A. That's for the larger wave 2. And let's look at this other picture here. That was the hourly. We're going to look at the 10-minute. You can see how tight that is. That's from that November 1st high, which may have hit that turn date minus 3 days a little bit early. You can see 5 waves down there. We've got an A up, a B down, and C equals A at 31.1650. And the 500 retracement is 31.16 1/4. And as of today, which is the 7th, it hit a 38.21.75. What we put out to our newsletter subscribers is the next cluster again, if you will. That's within a point where C equals 1.618 and where the entire retracement of this too is a 786. I may have that for you guys in the report that we put out after the close today to our monthly subscribers. There is that 10-minute bar, and you can see those targets there, same as the picture. And I think we have the hourly right there with the time spiral on the bottom. So we'll see how that plays out. Of course, in the news, they'll blame or credit the elections if this was a turn date. But as you know, we look at things the other way around to see the wave counts create the news doesn't create the wave counts. So there's our 39.28 high so far for that larger wave 2 in parentheses. Okay, that's it for today, and until next time, take care everyone.